Welcome to Wellness Info Hub, where we bring you simple, delicious, and healthy recipes to elevate your kitchen experience. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated vegetables, cabbage. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, cabbage is a powerhouse ingredient that deserves a starring role on your table. Whether you're looking for comfort food, light salads, or unique twists on classic dishes, these 10 cabbage recipes will change the way you cook. Stick around to discover new favorites and unlock the full potential of this humble vegetable. Let's kick things off with recipe number 1, classic cabbage stir-fry. This quick and easy dish is a staple in many Asian cuisines. Start by slicing green cabbage into thin strips. Heat a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat, add a splash of sesame oil, and toss in garlic and ginger for that fragrant base. Add the cabbage along with sliced carrots and bell peppers, stir-frying until just tender. Finish with a dash of soy sauce and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Serve it over steamed rice for a simple, nutritious meal. This recipe is not only packed with flavor, but is also rich in antioxidants and low in calories, making it a perfect weeknight dinner. Number 2, cabbage soup for the soul. If you're looking for comfort in a bowl, cabbage soup is your answer. Sauté onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil until soft. Add chopped cabbage, diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, and your favorite herbs like thyme and bay leaf. Simmer until the cabbage is tender and finish with a squeeze of lemon for brightness. This soup is hearty, hydrating, and perfect for meal prep or a light lunch. Plus, it's known for its detoxifying properties and ability to support digestion. Recipe 3, tangy cabbage slaw. Upgrade your salads with a vibrant cabbage slaw that's perfect for topping tacos, sandwiches, or enjoying as a side dish. Combine shredded red and green cabbage with carrots and thinly sliced red onions. Whisk together apple cider vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, olive oil, salt, and pepper for a zesty dressing. Toss everything together and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. The result is a crunchy, colorful, and refreshing slaw that adds a healthy twist to any meal. Moving on to number 4, cabbage rolls with a twist. Instead of the traditional meat filling, try a vegetarian version packed with lentils, brown rice, onions, garlic, and spices. Blanch large cabbage leaves and fill them with the savory mixture. Roll them up, place in a baking dish, and top with tomato sauce. Bake until the rolls are tender and the flavors meld together. This dish is high in fiber and plant-based protein, making it filling and satisfying for everyone at the table. Recipe 5, roasted cabbage steaks. If you've never tried roasting cabbage, you're in for a treat. Slice a head of cabbage into thick rounds, brush with olive oil, and season with garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Roast in a hot oven until the edges are crispy and caramelized. These cabbage steaks make a great main course for vegetarians or a unique side dish. The roasting brings out a natural sweetness and depth of flavor you never knew cabbage had. Number 6, creamy cabbage and potato gratin. For a comforting, cheesy bake, layer thinly sliced cabbage and potatoes in a baking dish. Pour over a mixture of milk, cream, garlic, and your favorite cheese, Gruyere or cheddar, work beautifully. Bake until golden and bubbly. This gratin is a delicious way to use up leftover cabbage and makes a crowd-pleasing addition to any dinner table. Recipe 7, fermented sauerkraut. Harness the probiotic power of cabbage with homemade sauerkraut. Simply shred fresh cabbage, massage it with salt, and pack it tightly into a clean jar. Let it ferment at room temperature for a couple of weeks, tasting along the way. Fermented cabbage is excellent for gut health, adds a tangy crunch to sandwiches and salads, and is a fantastic way to preserve this versatile vegetable. 8th on our list, Asian-inspired cabbage pancakes, also known as okonomiyaki. Combine shredded cabbage with flour, eggs, scallions, and your choice of protein. Shrimp or tofu are great options. Pan fry in a little oil until crisp and golden on both sides. Serve with a drizzle of soy sauce or spicy mayo. These savory pancakes are quick, customizable, and perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Recipe 9, cabbage and apple salad. For a sweet and savory twist, combine thinly sliced cabbage with crisp apples, walnuts, and dried cranberries. Dress it with a light vinaigrette made from apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, and olive oil. This salad is bursting with texture and flavor, making it a refreshing side for any season. Plus, the combination of cabbage and apple provides a hefty dose of fiber and immune-boosting vitamins. And finally, number 10, cabbage stir-fried noodles. Take your noodle game to the next level by adding cabbage for extra crunch and nutrition. Cook your favorite noodles and set aside. In a hot skillet, sauté garlic, ginger, and sliced cabbage until slightly wilted. Add carrots, bell peppers, and scallions, then toss in the cooked noodles. Finish with a splash of soy sauce, a dash of chili flakes, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This dish is quick, versatile, and delivers a satisfying balance of flavors and textures. There you have it, 10 cabbage recipes that are easy to make, incredibly delicious, and packed with health benefits. Cabbage is not only affordable and widely available, but it's also one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can add to your diet. From crunchy salads and hearty soups to savory bakes and fermented treats, these recipes will inspire you to see cabbage in a whole new light. Remember, the key to getting the most out of cabbage is to experiment with different cooking methods and flavor combinations. Try roasting, stir-frying, fermenting, or baking, and don't be afraid to get creative with your seasonings. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, these cabbage recipes are sure to become staples in your kitchen. If you've enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy, delicious, and easy recipes from Wellness Info Hub. Comment below with your favorite cabbage recipe, or let us know which one you're excited to try first. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking.